First off, my nigga Mo, I am the coldest. I'm not the middle child, I am the oldest. Weight of the world, carry that on my shoulders. I'm David Ruff and these niggas is oldest. These bitches be champing, these niggas be bold. I ain't naming their chesses, I'm aiming at noses.
So dope. What's good, bro gang?
What it do, baby?
Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. We gonna get straight into this one. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This first video was captured in the middle of the night at an apartment complex in Toledo, O. The doorbell footage shows a man knocking on the front door with what looks like a firearm in his waistband. Now, the owner of the apartment didn't recognize the man, so she would question who it was. The unknown man would simply respond with "It's me." The homeowner would then further question his response, but rather than clarifying, he would simply give away through the front door.
Like a weirdo. The hell? What the helly?
However, it would not be enough to get the homeowner to open it, so you would ultimately walk off. Disturbingly, as he does so, a second man pops up from a nearby dumpster and also walks off.
What? Oh no.
But
like
this wouldn't be the end of it. The two would then walk around to the back door, where they would attempt to pick its lock. The police were called, and when they arrived the two were gone. Fortunately, unsuccessful in getting the door open. It's not 100% clear what the 2-minute planned. The almost empty-looking backpack at the first guy suggests they had planned to rob the place. But it's also possible they had much worse intentions. The two of them have yet to be identified by police.
Yeah, they were wearing
The homeowner in Texas would wake up one morning to find the gate into his backyard wide open. Curious, the man would review the cameras he had around his house, and this is the sign he was met with.
Wow. I can't believe people
were
really
holding a knife and in a clown costume,
this,
complete with the suit and mask, casually walks around the property, looking inside the house and testing all the doors.
Nice scar. It's a Pontiac. I think. I could be wrong. BMW. I don't think it's a BMW. That is wild, bruh. Like, you are in a clown suit preparing to rob somebody.
This will of course take place in 2016, during that sort of killer clown craze that went on for a few months. Looking back, most people that participated in that were most likely just having fun trying to scare people. But there's no denying that others took advantage of the situation, genuinely attempting some pretty horrific crimes hidden under a clown mask.
And
with this likely being one of those cases. It's clear the person in the costume is actually trying to break into the house with a knife. Though after being unsuccessful, the clown would eventually walk off, and despite a police report, that would be the end of it. Ultimately, the homeowner would be left with nothing but this disturbing footage. This footage was captured in Colorado in the middle of the night. The issue 3 mountain lions appearing from the darkness and starting to walk around a set of houses. They were captured even going as far as to walk up onto the porch of one of the houses. Mountain lion sightings are known to be exceptionally rare in this specific area. Typically, they'll stay a lot further in the mountains where they have easier access to the deer that they prey on. To see them in an area with a lot of people, especially in the neighborhood, is not at all common, at least in this area. The 3 cans would eventually walk off. But there are almost no doubt things would have gone differently had one of these homeowners left their pets outside for the night, or possibly were even outside themselves.
Oh my gosh.
This doorbell camera footage was captured in Overland Park, KS, in March of 2017. Shown in the video is a nearby active house fire. The home of the neighborhood just across the street has been completely engulfed in flames.
What the hell?
As the fire department arrives, neighbors can be seen desperately moving their parked cars away from the house.
That shit burning. Yeah, you better get out of that house right there. Just
Eventually,
get out.
a flaming piece of debris can be seen falling and landing on a set of bushes just in front of the camera.
Nice whistle. I already know. I know. I do that. Oh my gosh.
The bushes quickly burst into flames.
I would be mad.
The fire
as
starts
shit.
spreading quickly, but before it's able to get out of hand, a neighbor notices it and attempts to put it out.
And
He grabs a garden
kicks
hose
it.
and sprays the fire while pressing the house's doorbell.
Okay, there you go.
However, the owner of the house isn't home and frantically tries to communicate this
Good
through
man.
the doorbell
Good
speaker.
man. Clap it up. Good man. I know it's people out there that would just looked at it. Oh. Good man.
In the end, the fire department would be able to put out the house fire and, with help from the neighbors, prevent it from spreading to nearby houses.
Shit, there ain't no bush there no more.
This video was posted by Doorbell News in September of 2022. This video shows a man knocking on the door at 3 a.m. He pounds on the door multiple times. This guy needs some help, but it's 3 in the morning and he needs to go away. He asks the homeowner to come to the door and talk to
3
him.
in the morning.
Excuse me, miss. Can you come talk to me, please?
There was no reply from the homeowner. The guy went into the street and started looking for a lift. Then he comes again and starts pounding on the door.
That was crazy.
He gets aggressive and starts yelling.
Bruh.
The homeowner called the police.
Oh, it's storming.
I don't know what he
it's
was looking
thunder
for, but it
and
was bizarre
lightning.
behavior.
Yeah,
Historical
that's
footage
weird.
was recorded just before 4:00
That
a.m.
was
on a
weird.
night in August 2020. The video captures an unidentified man walking in front of a house and emptying the gas container over the yard and front porch.
No.
Shortly after he disappears off screen, a large fire erupts just in front of the camera.
Bruh. People really be on some shit like that. What? Bruh.
No one would be injured during the incident, however.
The house?
Unfortunately, 2 houses and
That's
a
what I was
vehicle
about to
would be
say.
damaged.
What do you mean
The
no
homeowner
one
would
was
claim to have
injured?
no
The
idea
house
who
was
could be responsible
injured.
or who would even consider doing this to them. At least from an outside perspective, the act looks completely random with seemingly no reason behind it, making the clip all the more unsettling.
That's crazy. We would have to find him.
On a
I
night
need
in
justice.
September of 2021, a homeowner would get a suspicious knock on his door at about 3:00 in the morning. Upon opening his phone and looking at his doorbell camera, he would see 2 would look like teenagers identifying themselves as CPD or Columbus Police Department.
Oh no. Look, he don't even know what he doing. He messed it up. It's too late. He messed it up. It's too late, bro. It's too late. Just go. Just leave. Leave. You don't even belong there.
You need to open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
You're a liar. Why are you
The
wearing a
video
mask?
shows the man in the front clearly holding a firearm, and the house sitter would eventually access the doorbell camera speaker to further question him.
Can I help you? CPD, we need
Did
to
he
ask
say
you a
the
couple
nanny?
questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
I'd have been like, fuck the police.
Yes, CPD, we would
Fuck
like
the
you to step
police.
to the door, please.
You heard me? You the
Can I
police?
see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
The man refuses to show a badge because, well, obviously, he doesn't have one. The homeowner knew what was going on,
I think
so
I saw
rather
this
than
clip.
stepping to the door,
I think I seen this
he would
clip.
call the real police department and report 2 armed men at his front door. After a couple of minutes, the 2 would once again attempt to get the homeowner to open the door. But after that failed, and they would run off
Yeah, I
before the
seen
real
this
police
clip.
could show up.
CPD, open the door.
Bro, y'all retarded. I don't even mean to say that word, but like, bro.
The 2 were most likely just looking to rob the man when he opened the door. But I mean, it's possible they had worse intentions in mind.
You never know.
There's just no way of knowing for sure. Both of them were never identified by police.
It's crazy.
In May of
Crazy.
2018, a woman would leave her parts car that was just outside her house unlocked overnight. Not surprisingly, someone would find the unlocked car and proceed to steal multiple items that were owned by the woman. A few hours later, the man responsible for the theft would be caught on the woman's
do y'all
doorbell
not know
camera
how to
attempting to use her set of
identify
keys that he had just
doorbell
stolen to
cameras?
unlock her house's front door.
Like, I don't understand that.
This all took place while the house owner was home and sleeping, but luckily the set of keys he had stolen didn't have a house key on it, so the guy just ended up walking off. Had the set of keys contained a house
With
key,
his purse.
things most likely would have ended much differently. Shown in this doorbell camera footage is an unknown man wearing an oddly disturbing mask. As he walks up to the door, his emotions alert the camera to start recording. And that's when you can see him grab the door handle, realize it's locked, and hesitantly knock on the door.
Bruh, you're wearing a mask. Go away. Go away.
The man would wait for only a few seconds before he would pull his sleeve over his hand and wipe off his fingerprints from the door handle before walking off.
Yeah, you smart. Wait, is he wearing a mask?
Around a minute later, the homeowner would come to the door and now see the man across the street sitting in a car. When she yelled down to him to see what he wanted, he would quickly speed off.
What are
The
you
homeowner would
doing?
later state that she had no idea who this man could have been or what he was doing there. The fact that he removed his own fingerprints from the door handle suggests that he had most likely given them to the police at some point. It's not completely unreasonable to conclude that this man had some sort of criminal record. Something else of note is that someone's heavy object can be seen weighing down his front pocket. It's not clear what this is, and more importantly, it's not clear who this man is. The mask would ultimately make it impossible for police to identify both the man's identity and his intentions.
Crazy.
In July of 2021,
shit.
Amanda Noack updated her Facebook with an alarming video. She took this video from her Ring doorbell as she set in for sleep. Someone rang her doorbell. She checked the app, only to see a man with gray hair and a full-grown gray beard presently knocking on her door
Damn, I got a
and
full
ringing
beard.
the bell. Amanda
I
didn't
gotta cook
recognize
thing.
this
It's like,
man,
no.
so she ignored the knocking, but the stranger didn't leave. As well as knocking, he kept repeating he wanted to talk to her and had questions for her.
Are you sure?
Damn, he looking all
just rang
in the
doorbell.
door, bruh.
I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure?
Bro, he sounds weird as
I
fuck.
just rang the doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure?
Are you sure? Is
What?
crazy.
Are you sure?
Oh my god. What?
I just rang your doorbell.
Are you
'cause I have a couple
sure?
questions for you.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Oh wow. Are you sure?
Are you absolutely certain?
When she was home alone, she called her husband to tell him what was happening and called 911. So Amanda's husband accessed the camera from his phone and saw the man. Ignoring him wasn't doing the trick, so he decided to talk to him using the speaker.
Never heard anybody say that.
What? Yeah?
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about AyeKoollee. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to take her in.
What he?
You have to open the door?
What did he say?
You're raping the girl that's on the other side of the store and she lets me in. I want
Wow.
to rape her and kill her because I have a knife.
Wow. Bruh.
And I just want to knock on the door again.
Bruh.
After threatening the woman in a stone-cold tone,
Wow.
he's gone.
Bruh,
He
are
doesn't
you sure?
even seem scared.
That is.
He just
What?
leaves. As the man calmly walks away,
What?
he continues to talk to himself down the street.
Bruh. Oh my gosh, this camera about to die too. Damn it. Thank God the video about to end. But bruh. Bruh.
Amanda was terrified, but she feared this man might move to another house and hurt someone. So she took the creepy footage and posted it on Facebook. And it was thanks to this Facebook post.
Bruh. Alright, bruh, gang. Bruh. That last one was the craziest one. That's all I gotta say. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.
Sure. Yeah, I told myself no back, you can just keep it low, I'm cool with it. Try to let them in, they backing up, they said can't handle it. Just give me some time, I made this shit. She said she need my heart, so why she down the shit? Yeah. That's how the game slide. Yeah, sitting there photo, cool, that's how the game slide. Yeah, sitting there photo. I got a bad bitch on me, yeah, send the photo. Yeah, send them. Yeah, sitting that photo, cool, outside with the gang, we slide. Yeah, bad bitch on my line, she getting too wet beside it. Yeah, pussy function, I got a game beside me. Yeah, said I be making her mad, she getting too red like Target. I just can't keep my mama off me. Said she want more than she lost with me. We can go man for man, we doing that.
Keep it cool.
Keep it classy.
We love you.
Stay awesome.
Always.
And forever.